right? So these are rational numbers and remaining root 1, root 2, sorry, not root 1. Root 1 is also not irrational, it is also a rational number. Okay. So root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, all these are irrational numbers by this property. Okay. Yeah. You can discuss question, Nana. Kuchi said root 2 can be written as root 2 by 1, which is in P by Q form. So root 2 is a rational number. Do you agree with her argument? Just think about it. Already I told you, right? Why it is irrational? Yes. Suppose root 2 by 1 you have, root 2 by 1 you have, but thing is, it's in the form of P by Q, but it is failed to satisfy one more condition, which is P comma Q are integers, right? So this root 2 is not an integer, that it is failed to satisfy none. Okay, right? Next, this is about history of pi nana. Just once go through that. Hmm. Find value of root 3 up to 6 decimals. I have given yesterday homework. Representing irrational numbers on the number line. Look at that. Representing irrational numbers on the number line. We know that all the numbers we can represent on the number line, right? Suppose natural numbers we can represent, full numbers we can represent, integers we can represent as well. In the previous class, in the eighth, we have what is that? We had represented these rational numbers on the number line by using the denominator. Okay, do you remember in the earlier of this class also we have, I think, seen, right? Isn't it, Nana? So representing of irrational numbers we are going to see here. See, Nana? Look at the question number, example number 7. Locate root 2 on the number line. Root 2 on the number line. See, just take a number line first like this. This is a number line. In that, just no need of this 1 by 2s also, no problem. Just represent 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and -1 and -2 and -3 take. Okay. Then after O, consider this 0 as a point O, and this is A, and draw a unit square. What is mean by unit square? Square of unit length means, unit means nothing but 1. Okay, this is called 1 unit, right? This is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit. The distance between the all the numbers is 1 unit, right? Okay, all the numbers means here this 0, 1, 2 between. This is called one interval now. This is called one interval. This interval is fixed on the number line. Okay. See, I'm taking a what is that unit square by using this unit length. Okay. So here 0 to 1. This is called here A. Here it is O, and here it is A, and we drawn a square, right? So 1 centimeter, it means 1 centimeter, 1 unit, and here it is 1 unit, and here it is 1 unit, and it is 1 unit. Important question, Nana. Okay, and this is a diagonal. Okay, so this OB is a diagonal, right? So you know the Pythagoras theorem already. What is Pythagoras theorem? Yes, Nana. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem actually. So in this by this Pythagoras theorem, you know this length, OA length. What is OA length, Nana? OA length, 1 unit. What is the OB length? Sorry, not OB, AB. What is AB length? That is also 1. But you do not have this OB. Actually, why do we need to find that OB? So we have to represent the root 2 on the number line. To represent that root 2 on the number line, we don't know the value of root 2, right? So what is the root 2 decimal expansion then actually? 1.414 something, right? We don't we do not uh, measure, we do not indicate this number 1.414 on the number line, okay, right? Isn't it? Can we? No, we cannot find the exact value of this 1.414 so on number, right? That is the purpose. What we are doing is here just take a root 2 length line, and we make an arc by using compass. We draw a arc here. See, if it is if you draw a arc here, it may touches this area. This point is our root 2. I think you remember in the previous class, Nana. So construction of in triangle or whatever. What is that? Quadrilaterals in third chapter. I think we didn't discuss, right? Okay. Due to Corona. Anyway, Nana. Suppose if you want to draw a line segment or at quadrilateral, if it is given here, wait, I'll explain. A line is given like this. This is AB consider, and on A, from A as center, we locate 60 degrees angle like this. Now this is 60 degrees angle. Suppose if you want and given this is a construction of triangle, then AC is equals to 10 centimeter. Then how do we represent 10 centimeter on this line AX? Just by take 10 centimeter length of by using 10 centimeter length, we draw an arc on this AX. Draw an arc on this AX, right? Now, this becomes 10 centimeter length of side. We join these two. Now here, triangle ABC formed, right? Isn't it? Is it right? You learned in the 7th class, I think. Or this, okay, you are Corona batch, right? Learned these things in the 7th and 6th classes also. Okay, the same thing we are doing here, Nana. What is that? We don't know the length of this OB. I mean, we don't. What is that? We don't know exact point where is root 2 lies. So that is the purpose. We are representing root 2 by using arc, Nana. Arc. You know, by using a compass, we draw arcs. Okay. So if you uh, draw an arc with root 2 length, this arc touches the number line on particular point. That particular point, particular location is called as root 2. Okay. Any doubts, Nana, in this explanation? Please, if you have any doubt, please you can raise. Otherwise, I will continue the explanation. See, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Okay, clear? hypotenuse square is equal side square plus side square. Clear? So why do we need to use Pythagoras theorem? Just to represent the root 2. How do you represent the root 2? By making a unit square, and we find the diagonal of that square, and the diagonal length is root 2. Diagonal length is root 2. How it became root 2? By using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is nothing but OB in the diagram. Look at here. This is a hypotenuse for this OAB triangle. And if you observe, OABC is a square. In that, this is OAB is a right angle triangle, where right angle is at A. Okay. Now this OB becomes hypotenuse. So in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal side square plus side square, where OB is the hypotenuse, which is square is equal side square. One is what is the one side? OA square plus AB square, and OB square is equals to OA value. What is that OA value? 1 square, and AB value is also 1 square, and OB square is equals to 1 square value is nothing but 1 only, and 1 is also 1, and OB square is equals to, this is, we can write 2, and if you transpose this square to the RHS side, it becomes a root 2. Okay, it becomes root 2. It means 2 ki root అవుతుంది అన్న. ఈ స్క్వేర్ అనేది మనం ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే ఈ 2 కి రూట్ అవుతుంది. దాన్ని మనం స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అంటాం యాక్చువల్ గా. ఓకేనా? యా. Now we got OB as root 2, right? We got here OB as root 2. Now take a compass, Nana. Take a compass and measure this length by using that compass. Compass. Okay. And draw an arc of root 2 length on the number line. Okay, it touches here. This point is nothing but a root 2, which is our required representation. Okay, you get that? If anybody is having a doubt, you can raise and we'll try to give a clarification. Many times I told you to write your school name in front of your name, but you're not listening to the guidelines. Don't know why. Make it fast. Write your school names in front of your name. See, me was Ishank sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Sir, these children from KHS are not able to join through Practically app. ఏదైనా doubt ఉంటే can you please clarify it to them so that at least from tomorrow they'll join from Practical?
So what is the problem joining the practical?
Can you tell what the problem is, Rajesh?
I'll give you the unmute option.
Rajesh, KHS, please unmute and tell what the problem is.
Raise a hand. Where is Rajesh?
Rajesh, please raise your hand so that sir can unmute you, or at least give you permission to unmute.
Yes, Nana, Rajesh.
Sir, we don't have option to join the class, sir.
Did you watch the video, Nana? Sir, did you send the video for them? Which I sent?
Yes, I sent the video in the group.
Okay, there you already you are an existing user, Nana. See, while logging into this, you must use an existing user. You have login ID and password. You just need to log in. Okay, just once go through that video once again. Try to log in. If any problem, you can call to me. I will explain.
Sir, I logged in, sir.
Then
I logged in,
okay.
but I cannot join to the class, sir.
I have to
Did you
accept
click
it,
the
Nana.
link?
Yes, Nana. I think sir forwarded one link, Nana, for 9th class. So you have to join in this. Click on this link to join in meeting.
Maths class.
Math class. Did you click on that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Maybe I didn't accept you till now. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Okay,
now I
sir.
have seen some of your students join, but I didn't accept it. No problem. Okay, I will accept. If I
Okay, sir.
accept, then only you will get the notification. Then you can continue. Okay, no problem.
సో మీకు గ్రూప్ లో వచ్చిన మెసేజ్ ఒక్కసారి క్లిక్ చేసి జస్ట్ క్లిక్ దట్ లింక్ సో దట్ సార్ విల్ గెట్ అ నోటిఫికేషన్ అబౌట్ యూ then sir will accept you. That is when you will start getting link for maths class in practically app. Okay, thank you sir. Sorry.
No problem. Yes, Nana. This is about root 2, Nana. Next we shall no need of this entire matter. Using compass, okay, with the center O, radius O be drawn, arc on the right side to the other side. Okay, very good question. See, Nana, if you see this right side, observe this. If you draw an arc right side, you will get a plus root 2. If you draw an arc left side, you will get minus root 2, Nana. Okay, minus root 2 value. Okay, remember that. Coming to root 3 on number line. Yes, Nana. Now already you understood about this root 2, right? So just same thing. Draw a square which is of unit length. Draw a square which is of unit length. Now you know this value is root 2, right? The value is root 2. Now with the vertex of B, just draw a one more line which is of unit length. Draw a line which is of unit length and join these two. This is B, consider this is D maybe, and join this D and O. No. Join D and O. Okay, one second, look at this diagram once. Already you have OABC is a square you have, and please draw a line which is like this. This is a BD, consider BD, and join this D and O. No. Join this D and O. Okay. Now, if you observe here, this D O B is a right angle triangle. DOB is a right angle triangle where the right angle is at B. Nana. Right angle is at B. Okay. Now, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, Nana. OD is the hypotenuse, right? Same thing. So with the length of hypotenuse, we draw an arc right side on the number line, we get root 3. Left side, we get minus root 3. Okay. See, any doubts up to here? Please, you can raise a hand. No, decreasing, I don't know why. It's 33. I didn't take the attendance until now. And everything will be, those who joined from a practical app, everything will be recorded for their attendance. It mention your time also. What time you joined in the class, at what time you are leaving from the class, and again, what time you are rejoining, everything will be recorded here. Actually, it was 41, I think. Now it is 55. Jyotish, wait, man, open. Jyotish.
Sir, I can't understand from the right angle triangle.
In
How
root
to
3 or
the
root 3 or root 2, Nana?
root 3.
In root 3 you didn't understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear up to this root 2?
Yes, sir. Root 2
Up to
clear.
root 2 is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from there, actually the thing is, why we are taking all these things here? Suppose if you wanted to represent 3 by 2 on the number line, okay, already it is there. Simply we can represent that. Suppose if you want to represent 2 on the number line, simply you can represent 2 like this, right? But we do not have what is the actually exact decimal expansion of root 3 and root 2. We don't know, because already we know what we know. It is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Neither terminates nor repeats, right? So we don't know exact length. So that is the purpose. We are taking an arc of which is of root 3 length. Then how do we get root 3 length? By using Pythagoras theorem only we get the root 3 length. So that is the purpose. I'm using the Pythagoras theorem concept here. Suppose in the root 2 case we have drawn this OABC already, right? OABC is a square. We made this square on the basis of unit length. Okay. So now this OAB is a right angle triangle. Okay. And on that, this is a length of root 2. What is that? OB is a hypotenuse, which is root 2 length, right? Now I am taking a again a unit length. Here it is B. This is called BD. To find root 3. To find root 3 again, I am representing this BD here. I am taking one more line and making another right angle triangle and join this OD. Join this OD just for the sake of finding root 3. We are doing all these things now. Okay. We don't know exact root 3 length, so that we are using this Pythagoras theorem concept here. Okay. Yes, this is the now. What is that? O B D is a right angle triangle. Triangle OBD is right angle triangle, where angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Apply the concept hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Okay. And what is the hypotenuse here? The hypotenuse is OD, right? OD is hypotenuse, isn't it? OD is hypotenuse. And OB is a side and BD is a side. Then what is OB length? That is 1. Sorry. What is OB length? That is root 2, right? OB is root 2. Then BD is 1. BD is 1. Apply the concept of Pythagoras. What is the hypotenuse square? Which is nothing but OD square is equals to side square, which is OB square and BD square. Okay. Then OD value, we have to find that OB value root 2 whole square and BD value 1 square, which is nothing but OD square is equals to the square root gets cancelled. 2 plus 1 square is nothing but 1. So OD square is equals to 3. Then OD is equals to root 3. Now we got root 3 here. Okay. So now this is the root 3 length. This OD is the root 3 length, right? Now with this length, we draw an arc on the right side of the number line. We get root 3. Suppose if you draw an arc, see here you got point L. This point L is nothing but root 3 only. If you draw left side, you will get minus root 3. Okay. Take that screenshot, Nana. Time is up. If anything is there, we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Take the screenshot, Nana. Make it fast. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right. Okay, Nana. For HMHS and KHS as well MRMS. So, bye, Nana. Bye, all of you. Meet you tomorrow.